All right, another day, another adventure. We have breakfast already. We made pretty decent time in getting out of the house. It's actually 9:45. Park opens at 10 for us. Today we're going to be doing the boardwalk, which is the water park. So I think we're going to quickly try to get on the coaster, aqua coaster, or whatever it's called. We'll see who goes on it, but I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get today because I can't take the camera on rides. So, and I think we're going to be in the water park pretty much most of the day, and then I think we're going to finish it maybe with the zoo if the weather holds out. A little overcast looking right now. There is a chance of rain. I think it's up to like 50%, but we're hoping we can get at least all the water park part in and then make it to the zoo. And then anything after that we do would be a bonus. So we'll see how the day goes. We're ready to have some fun. What are you ready, Dan?
I'm ready.
All right, and little man Jack, he's sleeping right now. So it's good he's getting his nap in. Let me see if I can get him on camera here. There he is, resting up to go play in that splash pad. I think he's gonna really enjoy that because he loves splashing in the water. So I should be able to get a little footage of that. That'll be fun. And there's little squirts and stuff that he can get squirted with. So it's gonna be a lot of fun for everyone. See ya. All right, here's the initial crowd. Not looking too bad. We're still a little early. I'm hoping actually the chance of rain is going to fend off some people. I think the rest of the week is supposed to be semi-nice or have some nice days, so we'll see. But right now, people are starting to flow in. We're still early, but there's not a major line to get checked in, so I think we'll have a good day. All right, Jack and I are going to the little playground over here so we can go get wet, buddy. You ready? The water park, and now we're gonna go into ZooAmerica. We're gonna go see what the zoo has, what animals we see. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we go. We're going to the Southern Swamps. We saw a lot of interesting animals so far. We've seen owls, ringtail lemur, a bunch of different snakes, some other birds. It's been actually a really good time at the zoo. Brooklyn's having a lot of fun. She's very excited to tell us all her animal facts. And she actually knows quite a lot because she watches Wildcrats. Here she comes, actually. Brooklyn, say hi.
Hi.
She's off to the next one. Let's see what we're coming up to. She likes seeing all the animals. Oh, Brooklyn! Look in there. What do you see? Come here. Look right up there. See him? See the paws? We just did the zoo. I'll say I'm glad it was included in the ticket. We did see a bunch of different animals, but I probably wouldn't recommend doing it if you have to pay for a separate ticket. We saw eagles, turkey, deer, porcupine, ringtail lemur, and a bunch of other animals like snakes and stuff. But overall, it was really quick. We just probably walked through it in 40 minutes or so. So it's actually 4:05 right now, and so far the weather's held out. It was supposed to have rained by now, but it hasn't. So I just looked at the weather. It's not going to rain until 7. It's only a 40% chance. So overall, today's been an excellent day for the park. It's been cloudy and overcast all day. I do think I got a little bit of a sunburn on my neck. I don't think you can see it, but yeah, it's been cloudy overall, but the rain held off. And we got to do everything we did, and the lines actually weren't bad. They did get really long. We made a lot of the good rides initially, like the roller coaster or the aqua coaster. We did that initially, and after we walked by it later on, the line had to have been at least a 60-minute line, because that one goes kind of slow. But we waited all of 10 and 15 minutes on it, and it wasn't bad at all. So overall, it's been an awesome day at the park. We're going to keep doing a little more adventures. But like I said, it's around 4 o'clock. We're going to have to go get dinner soon. So that's where we're at. All right, we're going into the Christmas shop, Christmas memory store, to get our ornament for our tree. Let's see what we pick out. All right, we made a decision. We got an ornament. Going to be on our tree every Christmas going forward. Let's see what Brooklyn has. Let's see what we got. What did we get, Brookie? Come show me. Open it up. Wait, stop coming closer. All right, Brookie, what did we get for an ornament? Hold on, hold still.
I know. You're wondering where the Reese's is, but it's no Reese's. But it's sparkly.
Very nice. It's an awesome ornament.
It says 2025.
There it is. Our Christmas ornament from Hershey's. Be on our tree every year saying 2025. It's been a lot of fun here. This is our last park day. We're going to go to a restaurant now. We don't have reservations, so we're going to have to, might have a little bit of a wait, but we're going to see what we have. It should be good food, so I think we're all really hungry, ready to eat. Let's go find out where we go. All right, so Uncle Justin convinced me to do Candemonium, which is that coaster right there. We went on it. It was awesome, not gonna lie. Good recommendation. And it was a lot of fun, but as you can tell, we're out of the park. There's the sign right there. We stepped out, and now we're all about to say bye. So let's say bye, everyone. Ready? Everyone come in. Bye, Hersheypark!